If you're wondering how to upload files to practice better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to upload your files smoothly so you can get back to using the platform to its full potential. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some tips on alternatives to practice better that might be even better for your needs. Let's get started with uploading files to practice better. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your account and navigate to your dashboard. From here, you'll see a menu on the left side. Select the Documents option from the list. This is where all your uploaded files will live. Next thing, click the Upload button. This will prompt you to choose the file you want to upload from your computer. Practice Better supports a variety of file types, so whether you're uploading PDFs, Word docs, or image files, you're covered. Once you select your file, you can also add a title and a description to help organize and keep track of your files. This can be helpful if you're dealing with multiple clients or projects. The third thing to note is that Practice Better allows you to upload files either to your personal library or directly to a client's profile. If you're working with clients, make sure you select the correct client from the drop-down menu before you upload, so the file gets associated with their account. You can also drag and drop your files right into the space, which is super convenient if you have several files to upload at once. Once your file is uploaded, Practice Better gives you the option to set privacy and permissions. You can decide if the file should be private or shared with clients and other team members. You can also enable or disable download access for each file, which can be crucial for maintaining control over sensitive information. Now, let's talk about organization. Practice Better gives you folders to keep everything neat and easy to find. You can create specific folders for each client or project, making it much easier to access the files you need later. Plus, you can always go back and edit or delete files as your needs change. The fourth thing you might want to know is Practice Better's integration with other tools. While it works well for file uploads and basic document management, some users find that its file management features aren't as robust as other platforms. If you're looking for a more comprehensive system with advanced file organization, tagging, or collaborative features, this might not be the best fit for you. And here's the part you don't want to miss. While Practice Better is a solid choice for uploading files, there are some great alternatives that might suit your needs even better. For example, platforms like Zen Planner and My PT Hub offer more customizable document management systems and are better optimized for professionals in health and fitness industries. These alternatives come with free trials too, so you can test them out before committing. Before we wrap up, remember this. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to Practice Better, so you can try out its file uploading features yourself. But keep in mind that if your goal is better organization and more advanced file management, these alternatives might be exactly what you're looking for. Check the link in the description for more information and to get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits.